So if you are a photo booth owner or a DJ, you need to listen to this just for a quick second. What else do you have to do? Sit on your couch and eat Cheetos? What's up, everybody? It's Eric Wenning here at my empty office. We have just been, getting through the motions of everything. What are you guys doing as a business to pivot your business, right? So you're an entertainment company or a photo booth company, and so in the meantime right now, you have no DJ jobs, but you're DJing for a live stream, which is cool. But I see DJs, pivoting a little bit of doing something a little bit different. They are going out and DJing to their neighborhood, putting out set times where the whole party will come to them, which is a great idea. Photo booth owners, what are you guys doing? You're just sitting at home, are you complaining a lot and wondering whenever the government's gonna give you money? It's a photo booth. We're gonna creep up on it and I'm gonna show you what's inside. Come on with me. All right, here we go. What is in the back of that? That's a bloody camera. It's a camera, it's a bloody camera. So you can take the camera out and then, oh my God, you can go shoot photography with it. It doesn't have to stay in a corner in the back of your warehouse. Right now, virtual everything is huge, right? You can buy a car online, and even from there, you can now view real estate photos and even virtual tours. So maybe learn the video aspect of your camera and taking it out of the actual contraption in the box that it's in. If you only have an iPad, well, maybe go buy a camera and try to get into real estate photography. And by doing that, you can generate income. Even if some DJs are out there, they're like, oh, well, you know what? I have a photo booth. I have a camera. I should be able to do this too. That's fine. Do it as well. Trying to find other different ways, multiple sources of revenue, like I've always said from day one. For our branding company, we're selling PPE products. We have different masks and stuff like that we're selling. How are you going to pivot your business to stay afloat during these times? Are you educating yourself? There's other platforms like Harvard is actually giving free online courses right now. That's right. Free online courses Harvard is actually offering to people that want to learn anything from web design, CSS, and many other different things to help your brand and your business, and that you should be learning how to keep on giving brand awareness for your business right now. Think outside the box, starting to think about how to pivot outside of this rather than just DJing or photo booth or photography or videography. If you have these aspects, think about what other people are going to need 2 steps down the line. So hopefully that helps for just a quick Monday tip for all of you, and hope to see you on the other side. See you guys.